Today we're making some Rice Krispie treats. Let me go grab the stuff. Where am I going? Over here. Start off with a giant pan. Got this new Lazy Susan for pots and pans. With lights. Not in there. Okay, gotta go searching. Is this clean? Yeah, it's clean. Okay, we can use this stuff out of the way. Well, we measure out 6 cups. Yeah, 6 cups of Rice Krispie treats. Measurement switches over here. A 1 cup. Yep. The entire bag might be 6 cups. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right then. Let's grab our mallows, our marshmallows up here. I keep this away from my kitty cats because they like the marshmallows. The butter to the fridge. Have any open butter? I do not. Okay. Wait, no, I do. This is a brand new countertop, so I gotta not scratch it. Three. Grab this. You melting? We melting. A little bit, I don't want to burn it. Guess stir this around, make sure everything is covered. Tie bombs covered so that doesn't stick. Yeah, that's fine. That's about time to get my 13 by 9 out, which I think is down here. Yep. That way don't drop this. That's heavy. That's heavy. Here we go. Just out real quick. I got time for it to melt. I'll just dry it out real quick and spray her down. I look at the butter. Where is my spray? Used to be over there. Oh, here we are. Over the sink. Spread this down a lot. We got sticky stuff to come. It almost melted. Just opened up our marshmallows. I mean, you could use marshmallow fluff if you wanted to, but in my opinion and experience, just not the same. This is better if you melt your own marshmallows. And marshmallow fluff or whatever, they might put, preservatives or whatever. And preservatives. I don't know what I'm talking about. Just about the melting here. Okay, with the marshmallows in, we gotta keep stirring. So it'll melt and doesn't supposed to melt but not burn. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. Now melted and go the marshmallows. And now we stir. Yeah, it's melting. We're getting there. Just melted here. We're gonna kill the heat. Let the residual heat melt the rest of it. Just about fully melted. This is get very hard to stir once I put those in. We are melted. For the most part, we can just pop through these in. Dump those in. Pro tip. This is what I do. Gloves on. Take the spray. Rub our hands together. So it don't stick that much. I'm gonna do a folding motion, not a stirring motion, because all the marshmallows are at the bottom, and I'll bring those up to the top. So fold, don't stir. Okay, looks good to me. And put it in our dish. Come on out. Don't recommend doing it this way. I recommend using the paddle, but that sits for too long. And I'm kind of used to burns. I burned myself with hot glue gun all the time back in high school, STEM class. And we just press it out. And with that, it's set. Again, we can't let this go to waste. That's good. Okay, so this video is more or less a test of something I do here on YouTube, like a first-person chef here. Because I love to cook. I want to do more cooking stuff. And this is originally going to be for Twitch live streams, but I don't think I'm going to do cooking live streams over on Twitch. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Guys, if you want to see more, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe and catch your bell. And as always, remember to stay awesome.